Hi, this is Alan De Leon, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create 30, yes, 30 social media posts that you can do in 5 minutes. I think it's less than 5 minutes using 3 free applications, online applications. So if you're ready, let's head over to my computer screen and let's get started. So here we go, let's get started. You'll be needing 3 online applications which are ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and Canva. Don't worry, lahat ng mga online applications na to ay free. Okay, so let's head over muna sa ChatGPT. Dito natin gagawin yung ating let's say, kung social media post, let's say, inspirational quotes. Yan ang gagawin natin. Okay, so we'll be creating 30. So dito tayo ngayon, send a message, create 30 inspirational quotes convincing the reader to start an online business. Okay, so ayan ang gagawin natin. Click natin. Ayan, nag-generate na si ChatGPT. If you don't have an account sa ChatGPT, just open a free account, provide your name, email address, ganun lang kabilis, magkakaroon ka na ng free account sa ChatGPT. Okay, so we're down to 30. So kompleto na ang ating quotes. Let's read one. Leap into the realm of limitless possibilities by starting your own online business. Wow. Then number 2, embrace the freedom of being your own boss and launch your online business today. Wow, very good. Sige, yan natin gagamitin. So copy na natin yan. There you go. Then let's proceed sa Google Sheets. Ito Google Sheets. Now, kung may Google account ka or Gmail, automatically may free account ka. So paano yan mahanap? Oops, sorry about that, yung tricycle. Dito, just go sa upper right hand corner. Tingnan mo lang itong mga dots na to, 9 dots. And then scroll down, makikita mo yung Sheets or Google Sheets. Okay, then punta ka rito sa may blank. Yan. And then post mo lang. Paste mo lang. Yan. There you go, yung 30 inspirational quotes natin. Ano lang to, siguro lagyan lang natin ng file name, 30 inspirational quotes. And save na natin siya. Pag sinave natin siya, ida-download natin siya, make sure na it's a CSV file. So yan yun, CSV file, comma separated value. So click natin. And then magda-download na yan. Ayan, nandyan na. Ang next natin is to go to Canva. Okay? Then hanap tayo rito ng template. Let's say itong Instagram post. Kasi square type to. Maganda to for social media post. And then dito sa search, hanap tayo ng quotes template. Alright, let's look for one. Eto, try natin this one. Yan. Okay. So, I think this is okay. Now, since nakapili na tayo ng ating template, i-upload na natin yung CSV file natin. Again, going back dito sa left menu bar. Ayun. Click natin itong bulk create. Yan. And then, upload CSV file. Ito yung ginawa nating CSV file. Open. Ayan. So, sabi rito, connect data to your element. So, right-click an element in your page to connect it to your data below. So, ito yung data natin. This is the element sa ating page. So, right-click natin. And then, click nito itong connect data. Yan, that's it. And then, click. And guys, kumonect na siya. So, that's inspirational quotes number 1. And then makikita mo dito guys, pag i-click natin yung continue, lahat nung natitirang 29, kasi ito yung 1, so 29 na lang. Pag i-click natin yung continue, then siya na yung bahalang maggawa ng post for the rest of the inspirational quotes. So, click natin yung continue. Ayan guys. Right. So, generate 29 pages. So, click natin. And there you go, guys. Number 2 hanggang sa 30. Ayan. Siyempre, yung number 1 nandito. Alright? So, siguro kailangan mo lang ayusin lang, adjust lang ng konti. For example, this, ganyan. Adjust lang. And then, once you're happy with it, then gagawin mo lang is, click mo itong share, and then download. Then, click mo lang itong download, at lahat yan, ipiprint na ni Canva for you para gamitin mo sa mga social media posts mo. It's that easy, guys. So now, hindi ka na mamroblema mag-isip or gumawa ng social media posts mo kasi now, it's very easy to do, it saves you time, and of course, it's fun doing it, diba? So, if you'd like more tips, tricks, and tutorials about social media, I have 2 more videos, yan, right in front of you. This is Allen De Leon, and I'll see you in one of those videos. Thank you for watching, and bye for now, guys.
Thank you for watching Allen Online TV. Make sure to like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video episode.